It's a Times Now exclusive now. We are revealing the sinister strategy of the Maoists in Chhattisgarh. It's a warning that no state can ignore. Prema is joining us with the exclusive documents that speak about the new action plan developed by the Maoists. Now, Prema, it is a Maoist insurgency has plagued states like Chhattisgarh for a very long time, and this is for the very first time that their actual strategy is being revealed. How have they changed their style of operations?
Well, exactly. If you see, these are some exclusive documents from the Intelligence Bureau, and these documents really talk about how the Maoists have evolved a new strategy, a new game plan to take on the unmanned aerial vehicles and also to target the helicopters being used by our security forces. In fact, these documents clearly talks about how the Maoists have done a detailed study regarding even the disembarkation of the officers as far as helicopters are concerned. In fact, I'll read out from these documents. It says that helicopters were most vulnerable during takeoff and landing, and the outfit has basically asked its cadres to target the petrol tank, as a single shot could ignite a huge fire and damage the chopper. In fact, they've also gone on to say that we need to plant huge explosives between 20 kgs and 30 kgs, directional landmines near helipads, and target helicopters from a distance of around 50 meters using .303 SLR rifles. If you see, even the Maoists are basically talking about how our forces disembark while they are on a helicopter. It says that the disembarkation sequence of passenger needs to be studied because it is the commander who is usually the first person to alight from the helicopter. And the Maoists basically, according to these documents, they have also developed a strategy to tackle or to probably take on the unmanned aerial vehicles. I'll just read out from this document. It says that the outfit has suggested ways and means to its cadres to defend themselves from
is not doing anything out of the box to counter the threat from the Maoists. What is our great think tank doing? Why have they not found something which will set the Maoist thinking rather than the police thinking? I feel that initiative should be on our side, and wherever we find that there are gatherings or expected gatherings, we should concentrate and cause some preemptive strikes. That is what we did from Andhra Pradesh. We struck places in Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand and Orissa if we came to know that some gatherings are taking place. Now, you know, this kind of cross-border kind of strikes are something which will get the Maoists thinking. And these are various methods like this.